Welcome to my balcony garden. It's May 19th. It's a long weekend in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And this weekend marks the official start of the growing season. Here we've got some beefsteak tomato plants. Some tomato plants started from seed on May 7th. So they're about a week old. My first little cucumber coming in. This plant was started by seed. And we've also got some jalapeno pepper plants. Geranium plants. These ones are cherry tomato plants. My other cucumber plant. This was also started from seed. So this is the first update of the season for us, and we'll watch and see how the plants grow.